you're so beautiful. You should just be yourself.
Hey guys, it's Janai. Welcome back to my channel. So if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I dyed my hair blue. If you don't follow me on Instagram, be sure to go follow my new Instagram. It's the same @name though, Janai Kirsten. So yeah guys, I dyed my hair blue. I actually been dyeing my hair a couple different colors lately. I did pink and purple so far, so you know, we'll see what I do next. But this is what it looks like. It actually came out a little bit brighter than I expected, but you know, it's okay. It's okay. So I'm just gonna talk through with you guys how you can do it yourself, and the full vlog for how I turned it this color will be up on Saram Dinez's channel in about a week or two, so I'll include the link to that in this description box when she uploads it. So I was going for like a sky blue, light blue, pastel type of color, but as you can see this is a little bit brighter than pastel, but whatever. Normally when I dye my hair these colors, I prefer to use Adore brand dye just because I personally like Adore brand. I think it's a very thick color. All the colors always come out how I want them to. I just love Adore. That's my favorite. I would recommend Adore for any color that you're trying to dye your hair if it's like vibrant. If you're just trying to go like black, brown, natural colors, then no, but for vibrant colors, yes. So when I first dyed it blue, it wasn't this bright. I'm gonna include a picture of what it looked like. So the first brand that I used was this Kiss Express, only because I couldn't find the Adore brand I was looking for at the beauty supply store that I went to. The closest thing that I could find to what I was looking for was this, which is the Kiss Express in the color K32, which is metallic sky. Now personally, I don't prefer Kiss brand just because I feel like it's so watery and it doesn't always get down to my roots like I wanted to, and I always end up having to color again. Like that, the same thing happened with the purple. It was purple at the tips and still blonde at the roots, so I had to do it again. And in the picture that I'm gonna include, you're gonna see how it was blue and blonde still, which is why I had to do it again with the Adore when I went to a beauty supply store that had it. So I just redid it again yesterday. I used the Adore Sky Blue, which is the color 196, and I literally just put that right on top of the blue that I already had. If you want the colors to come out as vibrant and as close to what's on the bottle as, you know what I'm saying, as close to the bottle, then you obviously are gonna wanna start with blonde hair, as light as you can go. My hair is super platinum blonde. I bleached it 3 times to get it as blonde as it is. That's how you make the colors come out as vibrant as you want. But if you have black hair, or if you have natural hair, dark brown hair, or whatever, Dark and Lovely just came out with a color spray that allows you to make your hair all these vibrant colors without bleaching your hair. They have like rose gold, lavender, pink, green, gray, and I think 1 or 2 more colors. But yeah, if you watch my pink hair tutorial, I literally did the same exact thing. So if you want to watch that, you can go watch that now. I'll include that right up here or up here. All I literally did was I comb out my hair and I put the dye all through my hair. I use my hands just because it's a semi-permanent dye and it never stains my hands. I literally did this today and my hands are fine. So I just rub it all through my hair, and then once the color is all through my hair, I just comb it through just to make sure that it's all the way through, and I leave it in for about 15 minutes or so, and then you just rinse it out and shampoo and boom, you're done. It's literally that easy. With the Kiss brand, it says to leave it on for 25 minutes. I mean, that's just another part of the reason why I don't really like it as much as Adore, but if you want to use the Kiss one, then you leave it on for 25 minutes. And then when you want to take the color out, usually when I you know, go back to blonde, or when I want to go to my next color, I just bleach it. Sometimes depending on the color or depending on how much the color faded, I can just bleach it once and it's back to blonde. But when I did purple, when I bleached it, maybe because it was darker than the pink, when I bleached it the first time, it was blonde with a very light tint of pastel pink, and I thought it was cute. But you know, you may want to get the color all the way out, so you may have to bleach it twice to get it out. But you know, usually if you wait until it fades out and then you just bleach it, you should be fine. It should just go back to blonde. Since these are semi-permanent dyes, they will fade. The more you shampoo or wet your hair, the faster that's gonna make it fade. I change my hair color a lot, so I don't mind that it fades because it's just like, oh, that's just a chance to do another color. But yeah, it may fade after about 2 or 2.5 weeks or so. But yeah, coloring your hair, you know, these vibrant colors using the Adore brand is super easy. You could do it yourself. I also have a hair bleaching tutorial if you know, want to know how to bleach your hair to use these colors. So I'll include both of those in this video. And like I said, if you want to watch my pink hair tutorial, that can help you with like any Adore brand color that you want to use. I'll also include that, like I said. And honestly, you could do this whole process in like 25 minutes or less. So I hope this video is easier for you you to understand. I hope it was helpful, and like I said, just you can direct yourself to my pink hair tutorial video if you know you don't understand what anything I said meant. So also be sure to follow my new Instagram at Janai Kirsten. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Comment below if you have any questions, because this was kind of a brief overview of how to do it. I'll include the color and number of both of the brands that I use, the Kiss and the Adore, in the description box below. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to do that right now, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!